All right, so be the trade recap for Friday, August 2nd. I took some longs down here, took a 5 point loss on that, a little bit bigger than usual, but volatility's high today. Then I got in another long right here, which for some reason it doesn't have my little blue arrow, but I exited out on this move up and then held a runner all the way up to here, which hit stop. And the market's already another 8 to 10 points above that. Yeah, we'll get into it. So market dumped from yesterday's session, and then again in the pre-market, and it dumped hard from this old support level right here. So I was watching that along with this key level it bounced off of, and then I had these two levels previously. If you look back at the chart where they're from, hold up. Okay, back here in June, just simple support level, kind of two different levels. So I was watching them to see if they could hold and be respected because, like on this move, they were kind of being respected, not to the exact T, but price did reject here, it did bounce here. So in my plan, I was pretty much watching for a dip into this level to look for some type of buying to get in. And then based on how the market looked, I extended it just a little bit lower into this, just a few points below that level, just because that's where we bounced. But levels themselves are not as important as the reason we enter and the confirmations behind it. So first entry, I get in long at 9:31, and I get some immediate run up. However, I ended up stopping out. But what I saw was very aggressive selling here at the open coming into this level. And then here at 9:31, some reactive buying enters. And I got in it around the 9.7s and got some quick run up on that, but was eventually stopped out. And then I got back in at 9:35. When we pretty much had the same thing, get aggressive selling, pushing into our key level. That aggressive selling starts to slow, and then I'm just pulling up my screenshot so I can see exactly the time I entered. Okay, so yeah, aggressive selling, there's that first entry, lost out. Aggressive selling starting to slow down. At our key area, and then reactive buying comes in, and then when I took the screenshot, selling came to retest the lows, but I held my stop. That low defended, and if I wasn't already in right here, would be a great entry. And then price just rocketed from there, and my execution was not the best on this trade. I was targeting a 5,400 break into 5,412. So this is the first place I should have taken profits, and I took it 3/4 of my position way prior to that. But I did get a pretty good exit on my last contract. And just with that first loss being a bit bigger than usual, it feels that win doesn't feel as big as it should. Usually my losses are, 2.5 to 4 points, and this was 5, which is not the end of the world. It was how risk should have been managed for the volatility. I'm just not used to it. Yeah, that's gonna be it for the week. Gonna end the video here. Peace.